If anybody would have told me that I could modernize all of my stores with the network stack, highly available cloud monitor clusters for the price that we are doing it for, I would have told you you're crazy. I can tell you only emotionally that when I get a report from a site and I find out that it's not yet a scale site, my face visibly drops.
We have deployed scale at a rate that I don't think other scale customers have so far. I think in the past 6 months, we have deployed almost 200 locations.
My name is Jesse Walcott. I'm the IT infrastructure manager for Royal Farms.
My name is Jake Diana, and I'm the IT manager for Royal Farms. It has been about a year now since we were first introduced to scale. We were talking about virtualizing some of our corporate infrastructure.
We have environmental concerns, everything from the location of the rack and the depth of the rack. There are ruggedizing concerns, power smoothing concerns. We have climate control. We have power control. We have all of these different things. The aha moment for scale computing for me was we went ahead and did a proof of concept. We put it in a store. One of my racks is directly above a sink. Several of them are directly above chicken breading stations. These are not ideal circumstances for computers to run. So when we got that first store stood up and we left at 4 a.m. that day and we woke up and the thing was still running. Not that I had any concerns, but to log into Fleet Manager, see that it was still running and everything was fine. I was like, okay, I think we'll be all right.
Scale Computing's Fleet Manager has really helped us give that single pane of glass management console that we've been looking for.
Having everything in a much more modern take with Fleet Manager has helped me because I know that I don't have to go to the cluster for this. I don't have to do this. I don't have to do that. It's Fleet Manager. Last night, I received a call that 2 gas pumps were stuck in Falston, Maryland, and I rolled over out of bed at 3 a.m. and I opened my laptop and I opened Fleet Manager and I opened the VM and I cleared the transactions and went back to bed.
As far as a day-to-day operations impact, we've already received a lot of feedback from our team, and they're very grateful for how easy it is to manage machines when we have that Fleet Manager remote access. Other retailers should consider scale computing for a bunch of reasons. The one that sticks out to us is their ease of deployment and their compatibility with a lot of hardware.
The folks on the support team all the way around the clock have really addressed my concerns. When something is not going correctly, it is like a mob scene, and they're grabbing information, they're grabbing logs, they're getting support tunnels open, and they care. The idea that these guys truly want us to be successful is coming through loud and clear. Scale is the first real infrastructure, I would say, that we are rolling out. The modernization effort of this is huge, but what it replaced was effectively a dinosaur. It's an entirely different world now.